angles down on this ship.
Right, off we go then.
That captain stopping the ship. Going downstream. Get out
I think he's going to Marseille.
Big old boulder to his left leg.
Not deep, it's just tight, isn't it? Strong.
Yeah. It's almost more fun where the rocks are.
He's certainly made it difficult for himself.
He needs a new bike, doesn't he?
Well, he won't need a clean one.
Look, he's getting all excited now. Look.
Yeah, I'm getting there, I'm getting there.
Happy now.
Well, yeah, you know what that means? You're laughing, but that means you've all got to do it as well.